Alright, hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to go over the potential Midwest snowstorm and then maybe talk a little bit about the Northwestern system too in this video, because model trends have made it so obvious that there will be a snowstorm somewhere in the Midwest, specifically upper Midwest, as far as it does seem right now. So we are gonna go over this snowstorm. To start, this is the GFS this is the European model. Yeah, this is the European model. This showing like a foot of snow some places, like specifically the Minnesota Arrowhead area. And specifically on the coast of Lake Superior. And then throughout northern and western Minnesota, there are widespread amounts of 6 inches. And then maybe the far eastern Dakotas could see some of that 6 inches at least too, as is according to this model. Farther east into Wisconsin's some less snow could fall, but I would say like a few inches there. And then the Northwest system, yes, we do expect some heavy snow in the mountains with like, let's say 2 feet across the Washington state part of this, and maybe even 3 feet in the Cascades. And then in the Olympians, I'd just say like 1 or 2 feet, and even up to like 3 feet. They were saying like as much as 4 feet in the forecasts there. This is now the Canadian model with a narrow swath of several inches, and it goes right through Chicago and Michigan. So, and it's like, and also like Milwaukee. And there could be a heavier snow band in like Milwaukee if as according to the Canadian model. And then Dave imports like right along the northern edge of this stuff. And so is Madison, Wisconsin, and Green Bay. And then, yeah, western Michigan could get like heavier snow, and even the UP could as well. Not as much snow as the Dakotas and Minnesota, and like the European model. This is a GFS model. They're not showing like a nasty storm, and like rather the other 2 models. This is some areas of 6 inches, just widespread areas of like a few inches across state of Minnesota, and then even still across eastern Dakotas, and then as well in northern west Wisconsin. There is possibly some lake effect hand snow across western Michigan, swaying along the Ruland water border there. And then Northwest system, yeah, this model definitely shows like 3 to 4 feet of snow across some portions of the Washington state Cascades, which literally seems like this northeast blizzard we just had right before 2021 and the holidays, perhaps. Now this is the Weather Prediction Center Day 4 outlook. So this would be Thursday's outlook. The highest risk in this map apparently is dark blue, which is in the Minnesota area, and a little bit in the far southern Ontario, southwestern actually, or just western, because you get the point. And then this dark green area is like across northern Wisconsin, UP, Michigan, northeast Minnesota. Now this is the Northwest system that will eventually transform into another Northwest system, and then this Midwest snowstorm that we've been talking about throughout this video. Now this is starting to to make for heavy snow, heavy precipitation, heavy rain. And this is going to be pretty catastrophic in the mountains. And this is the warm front that will bring, and that'll make some areas in the northwest U.S. change snow to rain. And then there's a cold front behind it, which will bring back snow for a moment across some areas that were starting to snow, but then change to rain eventually. Now this is kind of moving into the Rockies, like northern Rockies. And then precipitation's already occurring across, like, maybe for northern Nevada and northern California. And then this is beginning to go into Wyoming mountains too, with snow there. The rain is definitely definitely a replacement of snow across the regions. And now this cold front finally comes through, which will bring colder and maybe some more snow across some semi-lower elevations. And now this one begins to move through the Midwest with some rain across the northern plains and some snow too there. And this will kind of just move with the cold front as this low acts like this isn't the exact low. Well, maybe it is, but actually it is, but like this is snow across Minnesota and northern Wisconsin, UP of Michigan, and then this snow expands all the way to central Illinois and central Indiana, northeast Missouri, with the low right over UP Michigan with heavier snow there. And then there's later rain across Ohio and then stretching southward. Now it's in the northeast with snow across Lake Erie, and areas along the coast of Lake Ontario, and then much of the New York State and Pennsylvania. And then across Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine, as this storm kind of just exits the Great Lakes with lighter snow there. Alright, that's it for today. So make sure you subscribe and like for more videos.